I have a white screen on my Lennox 10F81 thermostat.
Where in your home is your Lennox thermostat installed? How old is it?
It's in the living room. Not sure how old it is, but probably 6 to 8 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Just happened. Haven't tried anything except reset the breaker, but still has a white screen.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Please acknowledge each of my replies even if you are unable to perform a certain task I ask you to, or if you are hoping for a different answer. Together I believe we can solve this and find the best solution for you. Next, check near the indoor unit for a float switch and drain, and if you have one, lift it to see if we get power to thermostat. If that drain gets partially clogged, the float will kill power to so it does not keep making water and ruin ceiling, carpet or floor. As water seeps out, it will reset and allow unit to come back on and run until water backs up again. https://imgur.com fn6j8.png https://imgur.com/lurtuk.jpg. If no float or float is okay, then look in indoor unit on control board for a small 3 or 5 amp car fuse that might be blown. https://imgur.com/ku4ips.png. Let me know what you find and we can go from here.
Not sure what you're talking about? I'm having an issue, white screen, with my Lennox 10F81 iComfort thermostat. I do not want to switch to a live phone call, thank you.
Okay, if the screen is white, you have lost 24 volts to the thermostat. If the instructions seem overwhelming, you will need to call the AC guy for on-site diagnostic. I totally understand, as you do not work on these things every day.
Okay. 24 VAC correct? Is there a fuse on these circuit boards? Lennox part number 103550501 Rev 21 year 2011.
That is correct. Fuse is plugged onto control board.
I didn't see one. Customer attachment September 27, 2025 35 and 8 seconds p.m. Customer attachment September 27, 2025 35 and 15 seconds p.m.
Fuse is in furnace, not thermostat.
Does the power to the thermostat come from the AC unit/air handler? Or heat pump? Thanks.
Yes. That is correct. From indoor air handler or furnace.
Okay. Well, thank you. You're pretty sure the T-stat just lost its 24 VAC power to cause this white screen?
It is possible that there is actually a problem with the thermostat, but most common cause is no voltage. Testing that is very first step in troubleshooting.
Okay. Thanks a lot. I'm all set for now. I'll have to do more troubleshooting. It's my son's unit and he's 2 hours away. Thanks again.
It has been my pleasure. Thank you again for using JustAnswer to find the answers to your question. If you have any other questions or need additional follow-up, please let me know. I am happy to help. Hopefully this is helpful information and I have been accurate, polite and thorough in my answer. I work for a percentage of the fee you pay, so my income is largely dependent upon tips and bonuses. Therefore, any tip or bonus definitely appreciated if you were satisfied with my help. Please remember to rate when finished. You should see a link on your page to leave a review. Remember that after rating you can come back for free follow-up for the next 30 days.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.